This is an exterior folding door. It's very heavy, but when you slide it, it doesn't need you to push or pull it very hard. It can be opened smoothly and easily. And we can also see the design of the details of this door. First of all, the bolts we purchased from KSBG. The lock and bolts looks pretty exactive with a silver color. And this unlock design is also patented by KSBG. What's more, on the upper part, we use a door stopper to make the two panels keep locked together when the door is opening. Moreover, we can see the bottom track. The indoor side is a bit higher than the outdoor side. And we made an invisible drain system in the profile. This sloping design will help the water to flow out faster. As to the profile finish, the surface treatment technology is fluorocarbon coated rather than simple powder coated. And the painting material we use is grade A tiger painting from Austria. So it touches very smooth and will not be faded in 30 years. So you will have a wonderful experience when you use this door. Because the materials we use and the hardware accessories are upscale, and we designed this door from the point of making the user's life more convenient and better.